Today we'll be installing a phantom grip limited slip differential conversion kit into a 2004 Acura RSX differential. The tools that you'll need: a hammer, flat screwdriver, and a dowel driver. Today I'm using two different sizes to ensure easy installation. And of course, we'll need the phantom grip. First thing we'll need to do in order to install the phantom grip is remove the diff pin. In order to remove the diff pin, you'll have to locate the dowel pin To remove the dowel pin, you will flip the differential over and find the access port. Once you find the access port, you can start with your dowel driver. Put the differential back over. Now that your dowel pin is out, you can slide your diff pin out to the side. Once you have the diff pin out, it's a good idea to look for any gouging that may be on the diff pin. Lack of lubrication will cause the gears to gouge. Notice that on the gear there's a protruding lip. Resurfacing of the gears in some cases are necessary, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to knock down the protruding lip on a simple bench grinder. Before and after. The lip was cut on a bench grinder. As you can see, we started using the bench grinder. We're able to get the gear to look like this.